animals, or at least calves, you hold their butts so they can't go back if you're giving them a vaccine. And you hold their neck so they can't go any further if you're gonna give them a shot or a pill or something like that.
The skid steer.
Okay, so we use a headlock when the vet comes, and so they can like check the cows all over and make sure that they're good health.
So in a headlock, you move these things here. Oh, that one's not working. But you can move this so this will go like this, and it'll lock into place so their head's there, and you can't move it.
Ready, go ahead.
All right, when you're coming up behind a cow, let them know that you're there by touching them in the rear and coming up while you're still touching them. And when you're behind them, be careful with this part because that's the most dangerous part of the cow.
And for restraint, you're going to use a halter. So you're going to put it behind their ears first so they can't back away as easy. And then you're going to bring it around their nose. And tighten it so they can't go anywhere. So when you have a halter, you want to make sure that the bridge of the halter is halfway in between their eyes and their nose. So this is too far down, honey. So you just want to slide it up and then tighten it so you have the most control. So when you hold a halter for most control, you want to have your hand inside the halter and holding it like this. So you have the most control.